Hey guys, back to the two sisters. Okay, so I just want to see guys forever. I know my sister's not here, but I want to see guys forever. So forever, please can you guys like, subscribe, share, and comment because I've been seeing people is not watching my videos. They don't like, they don't comment, comment. Because I'm gonna give away stuff. Because like the people do not commenting like I wanna like comment back to them. Yeah. Because like no one's actually commenting. Yeah. I want someone to comment and share and like and subscribe. I did change Aymiarto because I thought that the surname is like too odd, so I just changed it to the two sisters. So yeah, guys, so maybe tonight I'll like might get ready with me. Yeah, guys. So I was like gonna. I was like gonna answer the people who like sends me comments, but like no one sends me comments. So yeah, no one sends me comments. This is the iPhone empty, not the iPhone, but yeah, I'm still fitting to an iPhone. The new people who like new to my channel, you're gonna kick us. And like the people who follow my journey can like get us. No, not iPhone 17. I'm still working on the iPhone 17. I still buy it, by the way. Yeah, so that is all what I had to say. Thank you for sticking on the video and like, subscribe, comment, share, and put your name. Tell me when put done, and then I will just send the iPhone. And if you want a shout out, don't be scared because I can give you a shout out, guys. I'm not to be rude, but like some of your names is odd.